Okay, all right. This is our textbook. And here the first unit begins with flights of freedom. It has 4 lessons. What is flights? The word is a new one? No. Flight means flying. It also means running away from a dangerous situation. Flights of birds, flights of aeroplanes. And look, flights of freedom. The unit Flights of Freedom begins with a beautiful quote by Charlotte Bronte. The words are like this: I am no bird, and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will. I am no bird. No net ensnares me. What is ensnaring? Ensnaring means catching someone in a trap or putting someone in a prison. Normally, my dear friends, my dear students, we the human beings are very selfish. We catch the birds. We think that, we tell that we love them very much. That's why we catch them and put them in cage. And we often make beautiful golden cage for them. Beautiful golden cages for them. As the poet tells, Bandhure Kanjana Kutilanengilum, Bandhanam Bandhanam Tannaparil. Actually, the bird wants to fly high because it would like to enjoy its freedom. But what human beings do? We put them in a cage and we imagine that they are happy. We give them delicious food items. But are they happy in cage? No. How they be happy? Only by enjoying their freedom. So don't cut the wings of flying birds. Don't put them in cage. Here, forget birds. Forget cage and think about our houses, our women. I tell you one thing, our women, almost all of them are in cages. Are they happy in their house? No. What we do, the male-dominated society often make them unhappy by restricting them in our houses. We tell that, oh my sweetheart, oh my darling, I love you so much, you are my heart, you are my queen. I shall make a new Taj Mahal for you, my dear Mumtaz, on the shore of Taj Mahal. On the shore of Yamuna, not Taj Mahal. And they simply believe us. They sacrifice their whole life in kitchen. They never go outside. They never find their happiness. We never allow them to go outside or entertain some jobs. We never try to empower them. Instead, they become the victims of our negative thoughts. So, dear students, try to allow them to make their own destiny by doing something different. So, the quote is about the freedom of women. So, we should always support them to fly high. And here we see the unit tells us about education, determination and courage of women. All these qualities help them to break the shackles of socio-cultural taboos. They should come out from the ashes of misfortunes. So, the modern education should give them a supporting hand. Only by education they can be empowered. Just like Malala Yousafzai said. Malala Yousafzai, best example of womanhood, a best example of positive attitude. She told once, one pen, one book, and one teacher can change the world. So, try to be wise by learning, by doing something different. And here, as we have no time at all, we are just beginning our class now. The title of the topic is 3 L's of Empowerment. And it's a wonderful speech by Christian Lagarde. Before the speech, you see here something for your assignment, something to think and write. And a collage is here in your textbook. Go through it, read it, and try to find the answer for these questions follows. Who are these 4 ladies here? The empowered ladies. First one is Smita Patil, second one is Helen Bowden, and third one is Mary Kom. The last one is J.K. Rowling. Here, many empowered women are there in history. As you have seen the story of Dhanya Suresh in your online Victor's channel, many brilliant top ladies are there, empowered ladies are there in history and in this world. Study their biodata, think about their achievements, and try to follow their steps always. And here what do you do? 3 questions are here for you to find the answer. First question, have you ever thought about the various roles taken by women in their homes and outside? Second one, what are the challenges faced by women today? Third one, are women equipped to meet those challenges? 3 questions are here. You try to find the answer and write in your notebook correctly, without mistakes. Do one thing, don't copy from anywhere. Copying is a very bad habit, so don't copy from anywhere. Perhaps you write by yourself, you may make mistakes. Mistakes are quite common, but later I am sure you can correct your mistakes later only by doing it. So try to answer by yourself. Next class, inshallah, the help of Almighty, we can take the real text, 3 L's of Empowerment, as it was the introductory class. Once again, wishing you all the best and hope that everything will be all right. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. Now I am winding up. Goodbye. See you again. Okay? Okay.